channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to install the software Genome software center or Flathub, this app store in the Fedora Lxde spin operating system, because this is my this operating system is not a Fedora Genome workstation operating system. This is the special version of Fedora spin version, because Fedora spin has a different flavor, different environment: Fedora Cinnamon, Fedora XFC, Fedora Plasma Desktop. So this I have operating system the Fedora Lxde. For which purpose I am using this operating system? For because my desktop is very old. For old hardware, everybody should use the Fedora Lxde, but I am facing this problem for downloading the software from software manager, because Fedora Lxde has an software center just like a Genome software center or Flathub software center, and this operating system is not Ubuntu or Debian based software. So this is my Fedora, or you can say the Fedora of different type of Linux distribution. It is not a Debian based distribution, so I cannot use the Ubuntu based operating system, just like apk file, Ubuntu software center. You can see the Ubuntu software center, this one, the Ubuntu software center, Ubuntu. But this the center, so this is okay. So if you are using the Red Hat, that is okay, but if you are using the special system in your hardware, so this is very difficult to install the different type of application. Because if I want to install the Telegram, it has no, you can see it has no, there is no Telegram, so you can't use the Telegram. In another way, WHATSAPP, if you want to use the WhatsApp, you cannot find the WhatsApp app from here, and it is very difficult to install a different type of. So how to install this and in other hand, if you want to install the Telegram, Flathub substance, is it is directly Fedora Lxde spin operating system. So system tool, you can see the admin tool, administration tool. Click on the DNF Dragora. This click on here, and this software manager, this one software manager DNF Dragora. So open this software, click on here, Genome SOFT, or you can click in here. You can see this one, Genome software center. And the it is managers. Another option to install the either Flathub or Google software. So when I found this Genome software my experience to all my subscriber. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new review. Bye bye.